When you're expecting a valuable delivery, do you stay home from work or risk leaving it on your porch? With Alarm.com's smarter home security, you have a better choice. Your Alarm.com powered doorbell camera sends you an alert when the delivery arrives. Just open your Alarm.com app to verify who it is. Then, you can unlock your front door and ask them to leave the package inside. Or you can use the garage. When they're done, just lock up and arm the security system. Your package and your home are safe. No need to leave work, no need to worry. With Alarm.com, it's easy.